Who sits inside the dookie, maybe smelling car, and who stands out here in the cold?
That's a tough one, dude.
Not really. Here, you take this.
Oh.
What are you doing, JD?
I'm doing a nice thing, which this is the Barracuda's car cover from Jake's, but it lives under the shed. It doesn't need a car cover technically. And we brought this car cover out to cover up Jake's Belvedere, and now I'm going to use it to cover my Charger.
After it's set through sub-zero temperature and 3 snowstorms.
Yeah, well, 3 winters.
3 winters, yeah.
Which, by covering it up now, I will forget it exists, which means it's easier to ignore.
I will never forget old Jesse.
No, I'm different. I'm wired different.
No.
Look at this. Like it was never here.
Old Jesse's just a project in the loom. She will though again.
Ah, there we go.
Almost like that car cover's meant for a Charger.
Well, all of them do fit the Charger.
Let's just take a vote. Who wants to see Dad start the bug? Dad, you're supposed to raise your hand.
I don't know if I want to stress her or not.
I'll raise my hand for all the viewers in YouTube land. Filming the old Field of Dreams. That is seriously a nice sounding 4-cylinder. Well, she came to life. I like the Badger bug. Alrighty, well, on to moving the Belvedere. That's my dad. Oh no, not the Badger bug. Spinning out right into your old rut. That is a whole different level of man right there. Badger bug back home. Alrighty, so here in the old field of dreams, oh, Belvedere is just about ready. Yep. All right. Anna, are you ready for your? You gonna drive the Belvedere? Or you gonna just hold the camera?
You want me to drive in Belvedere?
Either you drive it or I gotta drive it. So, who's it gonna be? Who's gonna film? Who sits inside the dookie, maybe smelling car, and who stands out here in the cold?
That's a tough one, dude.
Not really. Here, you take this.
Oh.